Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to do a Mikimoto unboxing. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Betty. I do luxury unboxings, lifestyle vlogs, jewelry reviews, handbag reviews. If this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. So this is the classic pieces I picked up today from the mall. So if you don't know Mikimoto is actually one of the most luxurious high-end jewelry brands from Japan. They specialize in pearl. They have a very long history. They have over 120 years old of histories. In 1893, their founder Mikimoto created the world's first sculptured pearl. Because of that, more and more people in this world are able to own those pearl jewelries. I'm just gonna quickly show you what I pick up today. It's a classic piece. You know this brand, you recognize this piece. This is the package. It has, this is the receipt. It has Mikimoto on. And what is this? There is a cloth. My auntie gave it to me. This is the one that we use to clean the jewelry. And this is a booklet. It will tell us how to maintain the different pearl in different languages. Okay, that's that. And then finally, we got the boxes. It's packaging very nicely. Look at the ball. And I love this color. It's just so elegant. Okay, they package it inside of those pouches. This is very soft. Okay, let me open that. This is actually a very nice travel pouch. I'm gonna use this on my trip to New York very soon. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. So this is the station bracelets. I have the 6mm pearl with the yellow gold. Just make it really close. And this is the back of it. It has two ways to wear it. If you feel like the size of this bracelet is really large, you can hook before the last pearls or make it tighter. So this is how it looks like. It's a very classic piece. Anybody who knows the brand, they recognize this piece. So let me quickly put it on and just to show you. Look at the detail. This is the detail. Okay, I just put it on. It's really cute. And I put it on the longest setting, so I didn't adjust the bracelets. This is the longest setting. Nowadays, I like the bracelets a little bit large. I like it move around on my wrist. It's just like a butterfly. I like these feelings. And of course, if you want it tighter, you can. Okay, really pretty. It's like a dancing on my wrist, and I really like this feeling. The reason I want to choose yellow gold is because I have my love bracelets and also my vintage hand wrap bracelets, and they all have the yellow gold tone in it. Because my vintage hand wrap, I sometimes want to layer them together, so I prefer them in the same metal. But they also have the rose gold one and also the white gold one. They're all very pretty as well. So now, let's talk about what other pieces I've been trying. I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen just to show you. I tried the 3 bracelets and I love them all. I love the top ones with the little diamond, dainty little, and goes so well when I try it out and layer up with my other bracelets. It's just like a sweet Alhambra bracelet. It's really cute and tiny. The little diamond really add a lot of touch to it. But I feel like that's too little for me, especially when I have my vintage size bracelets with me. It's just so tiny for me. So I tried the other two. One is 5mm pearl size one, and the other one is 6mm. I tried both of them on me. Actually gave me a really hard time whether I should choose a 5mm or a 6mm. The 5mm is really cute on the camera when I look it back, but in real person, I prefer the 6mm ones in the store. It's easier for me to pair up with my other bracelets since my Van Cleef is vintage size, so I want it a little bit bigger so that it can be noticeable. The 5mm is okay, it's really cute. If I wear it on the other hand, by itself, it's still noticeable, but if I wear it with the other side, layer up with my other bracelets, I just feel like it's a little bit on the smaller size. So by the end of it, I choose the third one. It's a 6mm. I also asked a couple of my friends. I sent out the clips and also the pictures while I was in the store, and they all said I should choose a bigger one. But the sales actually told me most of them are very popular, but the most selling one is the 5mm. And I also heard that the baby pearl from Mikimoto is very hard to get. A lot of people, they like those baby pearls. When we say baby pearl, it means pearl under 5mm. So because of that, because it's so hard to get baby pearls nowadays and a lot of it, they're in high demand. So I was like, maybe I should just go with the 5mm. I won't regret. Well, maybe when after a few months I will like it. But I think a long time I still want to trust my feelings and what I see in the boutique. So I choose the 6mm and I liked it. And talking about maintenance, I asked myself, can I use ultrasound machine to clean those or can I use water to clean those? The official answer is no. They only recommend you to wipe it off using their very soft clothes. And also they don't recommend you to wear it throughout the night in the shower. But for me, I am planning to just put it on. If I buy this jewelry because I really like it and I'm gonna use it. If I don't use it because I cannot touch the water, I'm really cautious and that's not me. So I really want to use. So I probably will use it with me for a while or maybe even 24 hours taking into a shower. We'll see how it goes after that. Hopefully it will be still doing good here. So this is gonna be my new additions to my daily wear jewelries. I hope that really helps you, and if you are in the market trying to find a really nice jewelry pieces, I highly recommend to consider these bracelets. And they also have the necklaces. I might add that in my additions later on down the road. So that was all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and consider subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.